I'm Estrella Chato, the owner of Inday Chato YouTube account. And I'm making this appeal video in English. I'm appealing for my YouTube channel with this URL. This is the URL of my YouTube channel, and this is my custom handle. According to YouTube, the reviewer who have reviewed my channel for monetization, my channel cannot be accepted because it has reused content. Well, in this video, I am going to prove to you that all content in my channel is original, created by me.